back with another video. Guess what? I am here with a Temu decor haul. So I'm sure everybody should know about Temu by now. They have a lot of affordable things on their site. So I'm here to do a haul on some decor pieces so that you don't have to. I got a couple of different pieces that I had been looking at previously and that fit my aesthetic. So I'm gonna try those out and I'm gonna tell you whether they're worth the price, whether they're good quality, and how you can style them. So I hope this video is helpful in case you were looking at stuff from Temu, specifically decor, or if you're just looking for affordable decor in general. Temu is a great place. I'm the type of designer who I like to buy high and low. So my last project, I bought stuff from our house and then Temu at the same time. So it doesn't have to be one level. You can be creative and just get the best for your money. So stay tuned for this video and I hope you find it helpful.
Okay guys, so I spent a total of $200 and the first thing I purchased was this pearled candle. It comes in different scents and it's pretty cool. It comes in tiny little pearls, as you can see, that you pour into a glass. The glass actually comes with the package and that way you can kind of create your own candle. It also comes with a bag of wicks. So you just take the wick and insert it inside the candle and then light it. So it's really cool because you can choose to do this in any type of container. So you can choose a decorative bowl or vessel and pretty much create your own custom candle. Next, I purchased this lotus edge bowl. These are really trending right now, and I actually purchased this with the intentions of using this for the candle. Fortunately, the color that I purchased, it has been discontinued, so that's why I just showed the white one that they have now. And I say fortunately because I really did not care for the quality this came in. As you can see, there's scratches. It didn't come in pristine condition. It looked as if it was used or something like that, so definitely don't recommend this as a purchase. I do like the color, even though I thought it would be a little bit darker, but it doesn't look too bad on my coffee table. But here I'm just showing that it's kind of unstable as well. The bottom of the bowl is not level. You can find multiple versions of any type of item, including an item like this. So I would just find a different seller and make sure their reviews are good if you want this style of bowl. The next thing I purchased was the ceramic vase. It's shaped as a leaf and it has 4 sides to it, and I just thought it was very interesting looking, and when I received it, I absolutely loved it. It was a little bit smaller than I anticipated, but I love the texture. You can see all that. It's pretty rough, and I just love how organic it looked and unique. I'm a sucker for a unique vase or vessel, so this fit perfectly on top of my magazines. I plan to keep it there until I get some felt pads to put under it because the bottom is a little rough and I don't want it scratching up my table. So keep that in mind if you decide to purchase this. So I just had to show you guys what it looked like with the candle actually lit. It pretty much looks like any other candle. You'll see the wax start to melt around the wick. And this is a little fireplace moment with in the evening of how everything kind of looks so far. And please ignore how empty my coffee table looks right now. Normally when I have it fully styled, it's filled with tons of different decor pieces, but for the time being I had it clear because I do have a 5-year-old running around most of the time. Say these two are keepers. On to the next was this really cool candle holder, and I got this one as well. They're very Nordic modern pieces, and I just loved how they looked. I wanted to get 2 of the black ones, but it was actually out of stock at the time, so I just settled with the one, and I think the one looks good as well. I'm just showing you how I have it styled here on my console table. Again, it's pretty empty. I personally think that you could style these with or without candles, but I just like the versatility of that because they are so sculptural and interesting looking. But these are really good finds on Temu. Definitely recommend these. Next, I decided to try out some stems. These looked really realistic in the picture, but when I received them in real life, it was a different story. So from far away, they don't look too bad, but you'll see close up how plasticky and unrealistic they look. I was hoping these would work out and I could find a cheaper alternative than going to your typical Hobby Lobby or Michael's for stems, but these were not it. They also had a really weird smell that I could not stand. The size is good, but the quality is bad, so this one is a no. I am a sucker for cherry blossom stems. I didn't really need extra stems, but I just wanted to test these out and see how the quality would come out. And again, these are a no as well. As you can see, they look nothing like the picture. They're all smushed, and whenever you try to straighten out the branches, just little pieces of the leaves come off. So I didn't even try to work with it too much. I was just kind of like, no. So definitely don't recommend these. Be very careful when you are ordering different stems from Temu. So next I saw this very interesting set of brass candle holders, and these are also discontinued. I couldn't find anything that looked exactly like them, but I will link something else that I prefer more. And these are interesting. They are all different sizes for candles, so that's one thing that I didn't really care for and I didn't realize when I purchased them. So as you can see, one of them fits a very large candle and the rest of them are pretty small. And even though the others are small, they're all different sizes, so I wouldn't really recommend that. I think it would look kind of strange. I originally purchased these thinking they would be great for the holidays, but with one fat candle and then many skinny candles, I think that would be random. Next, I purchased these scalloped baskets. I have been looking for any type of basket that would fit my little console table here, and the scalloped ones are very trendy right now, and these fit perfectly. I put a lot of my daughter's knickknacks and papers and stuff in here, so it's the perfect little touch, and I like the decorative flair of the scalloped edges. I only wish that it was a little more rectangular versus square, so that way papers could fit a little bit easier, but I'm just so glad that they fit that I went ahead and kept them. So it comes in a set of two, one large square and one smaller square. I think they might have some other options on Temu from different sellers that are different shapes, so you can look at those. I purchased these from IKEA a while ago. I put little knickknacks and little small remotes in there, but I'm loving how it looks. The only warning I have for these is they have a little scent. Next, I picked out this boucle lumbar pillow cover. I actually ordered two at the same time and decided to just go with whichever one I thought would look best. It's pretty obvious which one is the winner. As you can see, this one, it's kind of like faux boucle. It's not real boucle. The texture is not really giving as much as the darker brown one that I purchased from Amazon. You can see the difference in textures there, but this one is not even the right size. It's a little too wide or tall for the pillow that I have, so just showing the difference there and what it looks like in the sizing. You can actually see the difference in how thin it is and how the texture is just more flat, so it's definitely on the cheaper side, so keep that in mind when you're looking for different textiles to order on Temu. Next, I got another vase and a little tray to style my bedside table. There's a lot of changes in here, so new video coming soon. You will see everything very, very soon. So, but this is how I chose to style it. I literally love both pieces. I love how the tray brings in a little more chrome because my bed is actually chrome. And I love the natural organic looking vase. It's basically the same texture as the other vase that I showed you that I put in the living room, and you can see little grains and speckles. It's very rough. So again, you want to probably get some felt pads to put under this one as well. But this is just perfect, and if I want to remove the candle, I can, and put my earrings or lip gloss in that little tray. It just gives the perfect look for my entire room design, so 10 out of 10 recommend. So I will try to link everything I possibly can down below in the description box, but thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon.